What if you could turn any boring, dull video into an exciting, engaging video that contains interactive elements built inside of the video? Yes, that's right. Not outside of the video, but directly inside. You can have interactive elements such as call to actions, quizzes and polls, countdown timers, opt-in forms, buttons, and much, much more. Hi there, it's Rick here. Video is exploding nowadays. It's no secret. Video is estimated to account for 80% of the traffic on the internet. But the question is, has that translated into any extra profits for your business? Perhaps you're still struggling to get the ball rolling when it comes to growing your online business. You're not alone. That's because just like the amount of people watching videos has gone up, competition is no different. Let's face it, it's not 2015 anymore. A plain old video won't work like it used to. You need a way to spice things up and stand out from the crowd. And that's why we've developed Videfit. We've used this ourselves to turn ordinary videos into profit and lead-generating monsters with the help of interactive elements. This was the result of a video we put out before Videfit. But what happened after we tuned it all up with Videfit was shocking. The same old video made us $5,946 and got us $4,542 in free leads. Impressive, right? And no, this doesn't involve anything complex or tedious. I hate that stuff as much as you do. Here, let me show you how easy this is. Step 1, enter any video link into the Videfit web app. Our platform works with all videos. Step 2, point and click your mouse to add custom interactive elements to the video. For example, if you want to collect emails, drop in an opt-in form that allows people to subscribe directly from the video. Or if you want to obtain feedback from your audience, add a quiz or poll. You can start receiving feedback right away so you know how to better appeal to your audience. That right there is priceless if you ask me, and you can increase your conversions instantly by leveraging the power of scarcity. Just add a countdown timer and adjust the settings to your liking. We're just scratching the surface here with the features. There is so much more. And step 3, publish the video to 21 different traffic sources with just one click to start receiving traffic. Think there's more to it? There isn't. I'm the type of guy that's always on the lookout for effortless solutions, so naturally my team and I developed Videfit to be that way. This is as simple as it gets. By adding interactive elements to your videos, you're squeezing as much profit as you can out of your audience. No matter what kind of marketer you are, this will be a lifesaver. Affiliate marketers, product creators, e-com store owners, email marketers, video marketers, local marketers, freelance marketers. This ensures you are leaving absolutely no money on the table. It shouldn't come as a surprise why Videfit users quickly make back their investment. This is one of those smart decisions that don't keep you in the red. It pays for itself. And if it couldn't get any better, it does. Because for the early users of Videfit, we're offering access for just a low one-time price equivalent to the price of a takeout dinner for a couple. We originally planned on charging $97 a month for Videfit, because even at that price, picking it up would be a smart move, considering the power interactive videos have. And to remove all the risk from your end, you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. The risk is on our side. You have nothing to lose by getting your hands on Videfit. The only way you lose is by not using the power of interactive videos. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below right now to get started with Videfit. We'll see you inside.